Want thick, luxurious hair like mine? I got the answer for you. Follow me.
Here at Restore My Hair, we are committed to relieving both men and women suffering from hair loss. With our automated advanced follicular unit extraction technique, the follicles are removed using pneumatic pressure or suction. Once a desired number of follicles are removed, donor hair grafts are then implanted. Our no-touch technique lowers hair follicle damage rate because they remain moist and robust even while extracted, ensuring a gold standard hair transplantation with no linear scarring. Our method allows for a pain-free experience, less procedure time, and higher follicular survival rate compared to any other method, ensuring natural-looking results. Our clients report not only a thicker hairline but also a renewed self-confidence.